Time.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I know.
I wonder how this is going to work. You gotta knead it?
Yes, that's what it says.
No.
Just pour it right onto the cookie sheet. Pour it right on the cookie sheet.
Pour it all out. Like you're baking a cake.
Oh yeah, we're making a cake.
Well, it won't be a tasty cake.
Alright, get your hands all in it.
And you're supposed to knead it like bread.
If somebody, oh yeah, it's working. I see it. Oh, that's cool.
I don't even know how to knead.
Well, just squish it in your fingers, like, you know. Oh, that's so cool. I kind of want to do it. I want to do it.
Here, you want to finish taking the stuff out of the bowl?
You want to hold this?
Oh, this is so weird.
Alright. Alright, you gotta let me get it out of the bowl, guys. There's more. Yeah, this is cool.
Oh, I'm
That's a lot.
I'm getting your phone all ucky.
That's alright. We'll wash it.
Junior, you're making a
I want to see the process. Oh, Sugar, keep it on the tray, baby.
I have to unplug it.
Are this gonna stain my hand yellow?
I don't know.
But that's not yellow, it's green.
No.
Well, no, I put yellow paint in
Did
it.
you? Oh, the acrylic stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta do it like...
I don't want my hand to be yellow.
It'll eventually wear off.
Eventually.
This is not the kind of slime.
It'll turn into slime.
It will?
Keep kneading, I don't know. That's what the directions said. It's fun to watch, though. However,
How
maybe
long
that,
does it take?
I don't know, what does it feel
It
like?
didn't say.
It doesn't even feel like...
Do we need more glue?
Maybe, because it doesn't feel
All
like...
right, hold on. I'm putting this down. I can't touch your phone.
We're playing and...
Slime.
Well, that's not slime.
Water. It feels good,
I mean,
though.
it's getting slimy if
It
you
feels
really... But I
good,
think it
though.
needs more glue. It does feel good.
Kenna, you're making a mess.
Wait, I gotta do this.
Yeah, this. Ah, now you're
I put your phone down.
I know,
Oh,
but my hands are compromised.
Oh.
You found something
What?
that might work?
I got pretty stuff.
Well,
We're making a
Watch
sparkle
your hands.
as it goes all over faces.
Junior, you gotta pick up your slime that you're getting all over the table.
I got it on the table.
And it's green glittery glue.
Oh, this is great.
That's what tables are for, Mommy. I might yell and gripe about it being dirty, but can't beat a project like
Well, at
this.
least my hands smell good.
They're manly.
They are.
Super manly.
my hands are. I don't think glitter glue counts as glue. Oh, it's working now.
It is working?
Yeah. It's turning a little slimier.
How you doing, Juju?
Good.
It is turning slimier, you can tell. I guess it doesn't say how long to do it for. I guess until it feels the way it's supposed to.
Slime.
Yeah.
This looks like monster slime.
Yeah?
What's monster slime?
I don't
Slime
know.
from monsters?
I just want to see how long it takes to turn into slime. It looks like it's getting there, though.
It looks like batter.
It does kind of look like
Very
batter.
gooey batter. What would happen if we cook it?
It would get hard and probably not be edible since there's like 90 different poisons in there.
What if I take like a look at it?
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I gotta bring you back home in one piece. No hospital stays.
No.
It's coming together though. I mean, it's starting to look like that. Your slime looks a lot better than the one that I tried to make last year.
My
Go
slime.
with man's face or...
Yeah, the one that I made with you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that got lost.
Did it say what kind of you have to have?
Blake probably ate it.
Glue?
No, it just says it's just glue, because the glue is what makes it slimy. Junior, what are you doing?
Look at this. Feel that. That's from the lid.
Oh wow. Oh, that'll make it good.
Oh,
Yeah, I just pour it in.
Just pour it in.
It's decoupage glue.
She's
so
my
it's thick.
child.
Everything's washable. Except for the computer.
Except for the computer.
Oh, that's good. Doing good. Just keep going till it's slimy. Hey, one of you girls try to scoop up the slime that Junior put out that isn't all slimy like it's supposed to be. Yeah. Well.
Can you try to get that?
Junior, keep it in the pan.
Keep it in the pan,
I
Junior.
have
Look,
some
keep it
of-
in the pan. In the pan. Okay? Cause
Oh,
look.
it's getting slimier.
Good.
Oh,
Yay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I hope Jim doesn't mind us using up his shaving cream.
Like he has like 50 of them, doesn't he?
He'd be happy.
Would he notice if he goes missing one bottle? Yeah.
I feel like y'all just murdered Slimer. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Not Slimer. We just murdered him.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
It was a fun experiment.
It was. Hey, you know.
So it says to do that.
Okay.
What does it say to do?
I guess I'm getting all the fun.